Alright guys, today me and my friend here's Aiden. Take a look at Aiden. Say hi, Aiden. We will be going in the woods and discovering things. We built a little fort in the woods to make us warm while we're not in the house.
And we're gonna discover unknown creatures,
yeah, like bugs, and it's gonna be awesome.
And we're also gonna build some of our forts, and you guys are gonna be like, we've been working on it for a year.
We're sorry it's dark. All my videos are dark except for my FNAF plush video, the party part 2.
And also, if you guys are like, what the heck? Your base is tiny and you've been working on it for a year. First of all, he only comes here for one day every 2 weeks.
And we're having a sleepover.
And also, it's hard to go out here. Because it was Christmas a couple weeks ago, so it was all snowy. And then it was all icy.
And now
it's all
muddy.
Because the ice and snow melted.
So we're trying
it keeps raining.
So we're trying to avoid the wetness of the.
Right up the trail.
Oh God. Well, we're going to our fort we built. We are very sorry that
guys, subscribe.
Yeah.
Also,
Aiden, we were supposed to say that at the end of the video. That's what all the other YouTubers do. So don't say that.
I usually say it in the beginning and.
Well.
Alright, look, this random wood.
Yeah, these kids.
Here, we decided to take it to our base. I think we took one piece.
No, we took a whole bunch of pieces.
Look, guys, if you can see right now. You see I'm struggling.
Don't see if there's bugs underneath it. That's why we're even making this video. They want to see all the cool stuff of nature.
Not really. There's a worm. Say hi, worm. Hello.
Dude, stop making those noises.
Where's the bugs on here? Some of the bugs are dead in there.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Stupid bugs keep on dying.
Well, that's actually good. You know why?
Why?
Watch out, there's storms right here.
Yeah. Don't worry.
Usually.
I always step in needles and they don't hurt.
You should usually. Why I'm happy about what it's called. There's a couple reasons.
Well,
you can build cool snow stuff. And
yeah, but what if it's cold and it's not snowing?
And then there's a really cool chance that your schools at door will freeze. And then you don't have to go to school.
I hate school. I hate it so much I want to burn my school down. Even though it's named after. And there's our fort.
Is it me, or does it look like it got tinier? I think it's because we haven't been big before a little bit. A little bit.
A little bit. From FNAF 5, aka Sister Location. If you haven't played it, it's a horror game. Go check it out, peeps.
Peepies.
Ha!
Peoples. Look, there's all mud. What happened?
We've
been decided we should build a bridge, and look, there's our first log over there. Let's go get it.
That's our log cabin,
now,
as you can see.
Wood fell down, and we're gonna make it like a bridge. You see that little piece of wood? It's gonna be like that. Let's show you also here. Look, there's another piece of wood. Random pieces of wood and a can.
Oh yeah.
You gotta show the can.
By the way,
you have to show the can. You gotta show the can for the fans. Can fans.
Aiden, you're so weird. You say the weirdest things ever. You're so weird, you're gonna be so famous. Mud. So dark on the camera.
Look. Does our fort get closer to the house?
No.
Isn't it far, a little bit far back? Was
No.
it?
No.
Yeah, it was.
No, it wasn't. Well, come on, let's build the fort, dude.
I'm trying, I just don't want to.
And why are people screaming? Look, that's a tree that fell down, and we're like putting wood all over it to make a little shelter.
First one.
It's awesome.
Very muddy.
Oh God,
We need to go.
I'm gonna have to call these shoes mud shoes.
How are we going to get this lava?
Uh,
We need to make it fast.
yeah, we do.
Let's do like slipping in this mud and then getting muddy feet.
Well, gonna have to go another way.
You guys remember, like, just do it.
Just
My friends do it.
if all you guys. If you guys can't see it, then you are a total noob.
Yeah, that's a very good one.
Yeah, it is. Did you say worship bench?
No, I said workbench.
A workbench? What are you gonna do with that?
I need some wood, like this.
Have you played Terraria too much?
What?
Because that's where you like got the workbench. You need that stuff to craft in Terraria. Terraria is an old game now, even though I still play it.
Yeah.
Wow, for all that hard work for nothing.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry that you can't even see this.
And I'm sorry that you might be like, dude, you just put such a blog and all, do really cool stuff.
And we won't show.
Listen here, fellow.
I'm not showing myself because
Why? Give me one reason why.
because
Because you don't want to?
I'm not showing you who I am because
He's shy.
I'm shy.
Shy.
And I can't even see. You guys can't even see, so I'm gonna like just end this video.
Oh, and subscribe and say
Yeah, subscribe. This is nature video.
Let's get 5 likes. If
No,
this-
5,000 likes.
this is our first video. 5 likes.
No, if you like this video, thumbs it up and don't forget to subscribe. All right, guys? Well, bye.
Not yet.
The sky.
Not yet. Guys, can we get 5 likes? If we can, we'll try to get that brightness on that tablet later.
Yep.
Because I got another thing coming very soon in a couple
Episodes.
If we get 5 likes, I'm going to try really hard to try and fix it. It's my new camera, and it has stuff. Like, it's brighter and all. And I'll see you guys later. Peace out!